you've had the supreme privilege to go and see stuff where, yeah, for sure. It's like New York City, right? In a lot of ways, where going to experience it to see the thing is worthwhile at least once. You know what I mean? 90% of historical stuff is bought out by rich people and turned into a caricature of historical buildings, at least here. It's interesting because there's such a wide mix of that happens. Obviously, the antiquities in the States are nowhere near places in Europe, right? Like, when we were in Estonia, it was wild because, like, you'd be, like, on what felt like a fairly normal modern street, and then you'd turn a corner and then you'd just be, like, under a portcullis, you know? Like, it was very weird. And like being in places in Italy and seeing certain antiquities where you're like, Jesus, Mary, fuck. These little old Italian men are putting out cigarettes on the side of a church that's like, you know, thousands of years old. It's just really wild. Go to Lyon, to Strasbourg, Marseille, Montpellier. Yeah, yeah. No, absolutely. If you can, make trips to all of those places for sure. I mean, I still really want to go to Grasse. I really want to go to Grasse. I literally like went through Giverny, did not get to stop and see anything that you would, you know, actually get to see. I've been to Normandy because, you know, my my dad wanted to go. My parents made me save all of my paper route money, and when I was 13, I got to go to Germany with my school. Appreciated that I had the money at that time, but just drank the whole time. Lou, you madman. You absolute madman. I was in Paris. It's meh. Listen, that's fair. I got to stay in a very nice apartment in the 6 arrondissement with the family that I was working for, and several of my homies who lived there, you know, from boarding school, took me around to the places that, you know, they actually hung out with their friends. And also I got to do a lot of just exploring with the kiddos, and taking them to the museums with me all the time. You know, I never would have worried about the Champs-Elysees or like getting to the top of the Eiffel Tower if not for the little girl who I was, you know, nannying while I was there. But we did do those things, you know. I too have drank my way through Germany. You can get a beer in a McDonald's. I'm not talking about a paper cup neither. I'm talking about a glass of beer. Please, y'all are wild. All right, I gotta go make this coffee, and then we're gonna... we are going to do the thing where I make a coffee, and then I come back. And, you know, we'll do some more work. Let me do the thing. I will be back.
Can I offer you a nice egg?
All right. Who wants to see my butthole? Fucking capitalism is the snake that eats its own tail or something. I mean, you guys ever think about that? Jigga jang, jigga jigga jow jow. Is Michelle Pfeiffer in Batman Returns the reason why I enjoy latex? I think it might be. I'm just putting two and two together now. You know, probably, absolutely. Ken, you may not have been fishing, but you caught a load of carp. I know that I was just like, I've never played a single one of those. I see them a lot, but I've just never played one of those. I played Momodora, or at least I think there are multiple ones, but I...
この空城城太郎はいわゆる不良のレッテルを貼られている。
Hey, sir, excuse you. How do crab dicks work? Do crabs have dicks? Spoiler alert, they do. 2 of them. Next question.
Not great is the cheese pizza rolls. They don't.
Okay.
It's goo in a little breaded pouch, and